the demonstration of couple torque. What is couple? The two forces equal in magnitude, opposite in direction forms a couple. The net force is 0. The pack of playing cards, and I am demonstrating couple. Using couple torque, we can make beautiful design, beautiful pattern. See here, I am holding the pack of cards this way. This corner and this corner. This corner I am pushing this way, and this corner I am pushing this way, exactly opposite to each other, but having same force by magnitude. Now I am starting. Again. Slowly I am pushing oppositely. The net force acting on the system is 0. But the turning effect is there. See the beautiful pattern. Again. What I am doing, slowly, I am holding the pack of cards this way. This thumb I am pushing slowly in this direction every time, and this thumb I am pushing in this direction slowly. So this, 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 this. This type of shape. Now the theory behind this. Couple torque. The two forces equal in magnitude and opposite in direction forms a couple. This one is the XY system, origin. Two particles are there, P and Q. These two particles are experiencing force. This particle P experiences force F1 in this direction, and this particle experiences force F2 in this direction. These two forces by magnitude they are equal and by direction opposite. That is net force is 0. F1 plus F2 is 0. So there will be no translation motion of the system of two particles. We have considered two identical particles. So center of mass is here, exactly midway. It will not tend to move because of the force is 0. Now the position vector of particle P is R1 and the position vector of particle Q is R2. So this vector is R1 minus R2 from the geometry of triangle. R2 plus QP vector equal to R1. So QP vector is R1 minus R2. Torque tau, this is the turning effect of force. So on first particle tau 1, O is the reference point, plus tau 2. What is tau 1? So position vector R1 cross F1 plus R2 cross F2. But F1 plus F2 is 0, so F2 is minus F1. So F2 is replaced by minus F1. We have R1 cross F1 plus R2 cross minus F1. Taking common, R1 minus R2 cross F1. Order is important. So finally we have R1 minus R2 cross F1. Modulus of torque tau is mod of R1 minus R2 into mod of F1 into sine of angle between them. So this one is R1 minus R2 and we have replaced here. So R1 minus R2 is this, F1 is this. So angle between them, if this angle is theta, then this one is pi minus theta. So angle between R1 minus R2 and F1 is pi minus theta. So modulus of R1 minus R2 into mod F1 into sin theta, because of sin of pi minus theta is sin theta. Then after modulus of tau, so mod F1 into mod of R1 minus R2 sin theta. R1 minus R2 is here, this one, F1 is this one. This one is also same, R1 minus, but we have replaced here to find the angle. So mod of F1 into PQ sin theta. So R1 minus R2 by magnitude is length of the line segment QP. PQ sin theta. From the geometry of the triangle PQN, PQ sin theta is QN. So mod of F1 into QN. Now from the geometry of the figure, what is QN? So it is nothing but the perpendicular distances between two line of action of forces, this one and this one, and this is the perpendicular distance. So couple torque we can define as product of magnitude of one of the force and perpendicular distance between the line of action of two forces. If you take a reference point here, suppose here, then this one is R1 and this one is R2, but R1 minus R2 remains same. Suppose if we take reference point here, position vector R1 is here, R2 is here, but R1 minus R2 does not change. That is, couple torque does not depend on reference point. Torque depends, but couple torque does not. Here F net equal to F1 plus F2 equal to 0. So the body, that is system of two particles, is in translational equilibrium. That is, the center of mass remains stationary if initially it is stationary before applying the forces.